Bless you, 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 bless you.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
No, I am not admitting to negligence when there was no negligence.
I don't really need to call you a non-party at fault. Jury payouts are always bigger.
Hi. Wanna say hi?
I'm so hungry.
If you're finished, feel free to hang up.
Our Smart Buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
She ain't moving.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Huh?
No peas. No, no. It's just peas. Why do you want it? No, go away.
Beefing with my chick while I...
Oh, buddy.
What?
Are you happy, Kermit?
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7...
Are you happy, Kermit?
kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
No, boo.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
This.
There you go. Yeah, that's a step.
Hey!
Sharpie.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Actually, big dogs are way more patient with kittens than cats are. What a perfect duo. Hell, nah.
No, no, no. Ow. 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 Ow.
Can you read this? Oh my...
Hungry?
Oh my god.
Get used to this, doggo. You've been officially chosen by this little one.
No.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Ping.
Huh?
Shalalabosha.
Leo, I think you're too big for that box. I think you're too big. You don't fit.
You could have gone the other way. Come on. You're so funny.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Stop hunting me. Why are you? You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop!
No!
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game. Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
You got perfect, precious snuggle baby. And then you got demon from hell.
Wait.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Wow. Crazy.
$250 million neurons in the cerebral cortex aren't always just for sleeping, you know.
I get hungry?
Fatso. Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew you're fat ass.
Up there, why are you so invested in these things?
No. 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 No.
So chunky.
I'm too beautiful.
Stop it.
What do you want? You want a treat?
So tomato.
Dog owners know silence usually means something terrible happened.
Miles, what are you doing?
Stuck in weird places.
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
What's going on here?
You got a brain cell today. Nope.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
You could have gone the other way. Come on. You're so funny.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Work. I have to go to work. I have to.
This feels.
Go, let go.
You are a fox. Funky.
No, we don't want to go away.
Look at the cat. Here. How about here? There? Okay.
They really tried. I'll give them that.
Alright, yeah.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Not to let your cat pet you.
The dog's after knowing. Watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Seriously? Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
Red fox pups spend most of their early life playing, wrestling, and learning survival.
Everyone.
You're what?
Ryan.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Is your cactus your best friend? Hi. Are we hungry?
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Not to let your cat pet you.
Have never let physics get in the way.
So this is why the water bowl sometimes looks like it hasn't even been touched at all.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing?
Got me dying.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about
That drool has been frozen in time for minutes.
Oh? Don't even notice it's gone.
Just happened?
can't deny that everyone loves moments like this.
Booba! Booba!
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
To anybody having a bad day, just know that Benny put his freaking ball through this hole and he's refusing to leave. So I've been here for 20 minutes.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Ping.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
我还有这个。
We're right above you, huh?
Hey.
Every girl dreamed of dressing up as a princess, and this little lady is no exception.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
This is a story about a girl named...
Все, хватит, я. Все, хватит рыть ямку, помогла маме, молодец.
Oh my god.
really offended him.
Bombastic side eye.
You're gonna have a peaceful week? So good. Yes.
And hope she ain't moving.
Seriously, Chub Chub? Seriously?
Yeah, sharing is not.
You tell him. You tell the puppies to be quiet.
Looks like he's had enough of their nonsense.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew you're fat ass.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. Your familiar scent is another reason why your cat loves sleeping right on you.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
This?
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Official. Oh.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
Looks like someone is